Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new here. So today we have an application video. I was supposed to post these like a long time ago and I completely forgot that I recorded my application. So here I am. This was how they looked on. We went to Disneyland. So these were like my New Year Disneyland nails, and I meant to post them when we came back in the beginning of January, but we're mid-January. It's okay though, because here I am posting, and normally I would just like forget about it completely. I'm not doing that this year. I'm posting everything I record, so be ready. But anyways, I'm gonna get into the application process. I just sped up this part because this is what I normally do before even packing an order to ship out to my customers. So I take them all off of the little stands and then I finish file, which means I like to file the sidewalls just to make sure everything is crisp, and then I file the tip as well, just to remove that little tip piece that is on there, and then to make them extra square. So I left the thumb in real time so that you guys could see how long it actually takes and how I shape them. So I'm gonna let you guys go ahead and watch that, and then I'll be back. Okay, so now we're gonna get into prep, and again I fast forward because it's pretty tedious. It takes a while, so definitely if you are applying your nails, I would highly recommend you apply them at the end of the night, after your shower, after everything, like right before bed, and give yourself 30 to 45 minutes to really have some self-care, take care of your nails, file them properly and gently. It might look kind of rough. I promise it's not. I did do a couple nails in real time as well, just so you guys could see, but I also wanted to show you guys like how I pull back my finger kind of with my nail, so that way I can really get into all of the little areas that are hard to get into. And if you are familiar with an e-file, you can definitely prep like that as well, but for this video I wanted to prep with everything that I put into an application kit, just to show you guys, you know, if you have an application kit, this is how you can prep them. I did prep my press-on nails with an e-file though, so I will show you that. If you are a press-on girl, then you know you're gonna have to invest in an e-file sooner or later if you want to prep your nails, you know, in order for them to last a long time. So I'm gonna let you guys watch this part really quick, and then again I'll be back with the next step. Okay, and then here's my non-dominant hand. Again, I fast forward because it took so long. The non-dominant hand is so hard, and I feel like I have to hold the file a specific way in order to file them, and then I'm always switching it up to like make sure I get into every single little area. So again, I'm gonna let you guys watch really quick, and then I'll be back. Okay, so we are all prepped. We're excited, ready for nails. All right, so really quick, I'm gonna go in with my e-file. I left the sound on so you guys could kind of hear me click it. Okay, so basically what I do is click it on and then I twist as slow as I can until it starts turning on, and it automatically goes to that 3. That's more so for when I'm prepping my natural nails, but I wanted to kind of show you guys what I mean when I say that in like my other videos. For this, sometimes I'll speed it up to like like a 5 or a 6. That way I can just really get in there and prep them super fast, and then I will get into the next step. Okay, and then very quickly, just to make sure I didn't get any oils on my natural nails, I am just buffing them one more time before I dehydrate them. And then I was gonna prime them, but I completely forgot that I was out of that primer. So you'll see me like try to put it on really quick, but there was no more. So that was just like for me to show you guys, you don't need primer if you don't have it. You really don't need dehydrator. That's what the alcohol wipes are for. But because I do nails as well, or I've done Gel X, I like to just prep and prime just like the way I would in a normal set. So that's just what I do. And then all you have to do is dehydrate, and then the nails will naturally get back to that ashy look as long as they were prepped correctly. That again is how you know they're prepped correctly. Let them completely dry so that they're pretty ashy. You have to have them not shiny, so that way you'll have long lasting adhesion. So right here, this is where you would normally prime and then you would glue. I was out of primer, like I said. So we're gonna just get straight into the glue. And I like to start with my pinkies. I feel like that is the easiest way to apply press-ons, because when you start with your thumb and your pointer, it's so hard to apply the other nails. So if you know, you know. But if you don't, or if you struggle with application, try applying pinky, ring, like that, both hands at the same time, and see if that helps, because it's truly helped me. So what I like to do is put a little drop of glue on the press-on nail, and then I like to circle the glue onto my natural nail and kind of like drag it all the way down as if I'm brushing it on. If you have a nail glue that is a brush, definitely use that. I love those, but like I said, I'm just using what I put in my application kits. The brush-on glues they can be kind of pricey, and I just feel like if you're gonna buy one, it's gonna last you a long time, so it's better if the customer buys it for themselves. So yeah, I just like to add in a little glue, because these glues are also awesome for on the go in case like one pops off. You can glue it on really quick. So now we're just gonna apply the nails, and I'm gonna let you guys go ahead and watch that as well. Okay, we made it. And in between each set, I was pressing down pretty firmly and holding for 10 to 15 seconds and kind of rolling my fingers around to make sure there was no air bubbles in my glue. So that was it for this video. I have 2 more little videos to show you guys of what they looked like applied. This was on our way to Disneyland. We were in line and it was all dark and nice, so I had to get a cute video. But yeah, I am obsessed with these. I also have a tutorial on how I created these, so if you want to see those, I will link them. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.